So, the winter session of Parliament took place from December 4th to December 21st, 2023. Interestingly, both houses wrapped up a day earlier than planned. The Lok Sabha was in action for 74% of the scheduled time, while the Rajya Sabha functioned for 81%. They managed to introduce 10 bills and pass 17 during this session. Things got a bit shaky in the second week, though. On December 13, 2023, there was a security breach in the Lok Sabha, which led to an early adjournment of both houses. The parliament's functioning took a hit after this incident, with opposition members demanding a response from the government. Between December 14 and 21, a whopping 100 MPs were suspended from the Lok Sabha, and 46 from the Rajya Sabha. That's about 19% of each house's strength, marking the highest number of suspensions in any Lok Sabha term to date. One Lok Sabha member, Ms. Mahua Moitra, was even expelled for ethical misconduct. This isn't the first time MPs have been expelled, though. It happened 3 other times, with 11 members getting the boot in 2005 for accepting money to ask questions, and 1 member each in 1978 and 1976. All 10 bills introduced in this session were passed, along with 7 pending bills from previous sessions. The Telecommunications Bill, 2023, which revamps the telecom sector's regulatory framework, was passed within 3 days of introduction. 3 bills replacing the Indian Penal Code, 1860, the Code of Criminal Procedure, 1973, and the Indian Evidence Act, 1872 were also discussed and passed. Interestingly, no bills were sent to committees this session, a trend that's been on the decline since the 15th Lok Sabha. The question hour in the Lok Sabha only functioned for half of the scheduled time. Any questions asked by suspended members were removed from the list, and no questions were answered orally on 2 days in the Rajya Sabha and 3 days in the Lok Sabha. The Rajya Sabha spent over 10 hours discussing the state of the economy and a supplementary budget that increased the annual budget by 1%. There were also several last-minute additions to the House agenda, which didn't give members much time to prepare. And, for the first time, the Lok Sabha has almost completed its term without electing a deputy speaker, even though the constitution mandates it. This info was originally shared by PRS Legislative Research.